Just want to make a real quick video. We have a 2005 Infinity Q56. Had a no start, and also yesterday for the first time it shut off while driving. Got it back here, and it set a code P0335. Which said that it's a bad crank sensor. So don't want to do a bunch of talking, just want to see if we can help some guys out. It's a real simple sensor to replace. Just one 10 millimeter socket is all you need, and probably a flathead screwdriver as well. Give you the location, because generally crank sensors, from my experience, have been close to the crank, but this one is not. So we're under the truck from the front. It's your oil pan here, and on the bell housing, this right here is your crank sensor. Push that clip downward until you feel it click. You can pull it off. Just one 10 millimeter bolt. Pull it out, put it back on, push it back on so it can click, and you know it's in place. Pretty simple fix, guys. So you know, if you're a do-it-yourself type person, P0335 for 5.6. This is on an Infinity. I'm pretty sure with the Armada and with the Titan, it'll be the same thing. That's it. Thanks.